Hi everyone, it's Tammy and I have a package to open from Simon Says Stamp. So it's a stamp company that you can purchase from all different brands and all different things, and I think they even have their own line. At least that's how it looked to me. I am just trying to open the thing. And yay, success. There's some filler in here. Put that to the side. Oh, it looks like they gave me a little gift bag or something. All right. Okay, that is everything. Making sure that it's open, or that it's empty. All right, so let's see. I got some more Nuvo drops. I thought that I like having the ones that I have here on my desk. I have a black one. Whoops, sorry. I have a black one, so I'm going to have an extra black one, I think, although they might look a little bit different. They're crystal drops, and I like to use them to add like eyes and such to different stamp sets. And this one is a pretty color. This one's Antique Rose. I don't use that one as much as I use the black one, so I didn't mind having another black one, and it was a little bit less expensive if you bought the 3. So I thought, you know what, I'm just going to do that. And this one has Ebony Black, Simply White, and Ivory Seashell. So these might be the same. Let's just see. Yes, they are. So I'm going to leave this one out. I'm going to put this one in my stash. But then I also have the white and the seashell. And I don't know if you can see this seashell, but it's pearlized. It's really pretty. So I thought those would be nice to have in my collection of stuff. I also found this liquid glitter. It says, add sparkle to any ink. And this is in silver antique, or silver... It's a silver additive, sorry. I have never seen this before, and I thought that it might be neat to use it. I don't know, sometimes, you know, when you're shopping online, you see something that catches your eye and you think, ooh, that looks kind of neat. And this is exactly where I was with this thing. And I can't tell if this is directions. Okay, yes. Shake well, mix with any watercolor ink, or apply by itself for a shimmery effect. Can be applied using a paintbrush, eyedropper, sponge, spray bottle, 1 part liquid glitter and 1 part watercolor ink in an empty watercolor brush, and shake. Oh, that's kind of neat. So I'm going to write on here what to do with this. See. I'm going to put mix with watercolor, can put in brush, because I might just put it in one of my watercolor brushes and have some really cool watercolor that way too. So there's that. Let's see, I got some Prima flowers. I thought these were really pretty for Christmas. They're the poinsettias. Really pretty. And some 3D foam tape. I thought I would try those. I think I have a couple of these coming. There might be another one in here somewhere. But I thought that would be neat to try. I use my dimensionals a lot. And I found these square ones, so I thought I'd give those a whirl. And those are mini sized. And I didn't have this coaster slide, so I wanted to get that, so I got that. And I found these puffy stickers, and of course I had to get these because of the little critters that are so cute on here. Oh my goodness, and they are adorable. Oh, and then I got some Scratch and Stiff stickers. I thought that these would be kind of cool. This is actually the reason I even wanted to place an order. So I got This one's chocolate, and I got a few of those kinds. Well, not chocolate, but I got chocolate, and then there's more. And these are adhesive foam, and they are little strips. They're double-sided adhesive. You can use them to make shaker cards or anything really, but they're nice and thin, and strips that you can, you know, curve or whatever you need to do to make them work for you. I found this stamp from Purple Onion Designs, and I thought it was really cute. It's called Ginger. Love it. And here are some more of the... So here's a coffee scratch and sniff sticker, pine, popcorn, and honey. And some mini, I don't know why these are like a smaller, I don't know. I got two different kinds of foam tape, and that's one of them. And I needed some scissors that were non-stick. All of the scissors that I have they stick, so I thought that this would be nice to have. And I really like this kind of scissor, but mine aren't the non-stick kind. So like I use these a lot, but these aren't the non-stick kind, but this one is. So this will be nice to help cut some stickers sometimes, because then the adhesive won't stick to it so much. And here's some foam dots. I just went crazy with things. They were having a sale for 4th of July too. And I got some mini wobbles. I have the big wobbles, but I didn't have any mini ones. And I thought I'd try the mini ones too. I sometimes will cut my big ones down, but I thought since they had mini ones, I thought I'd try those. And here's another stamp that I got. You and I are more than friends. We're like a really small gang. Of course, I want to use that for my girlfriends. And this Purple Onion one, which is too cute. It's called Sweets. And she's got cookies and then her little mice kiddos. And here's a little lamb, and it says woolly. Or it could be a little sheep for all my knitting. And let's see, I got some more beautiful flowers. These are Prima flowers. I love the fall colors, so I thought that those would be really neat. And the leaves. And then here's another pack of poinsettias, just with different, look at the buffalo plaid poinsettias. So pretty. And then this one's just all leaves, which I love. Thought these would be really nice for fall. Some fall cards and some MD cards. I got a glitter marker. This one is Urban Graphite. How pretty is that? Add shimmer and sparkle to your craft project. A smooth, water-based, lustrous, sparkling color. Marker pen that dries instantly. Shake before use. Let me use it on this. They have all different colors, but I thought I'd try this one first. I might even cut out that little piece of strip and use it because it's really cool looking. Oh my goodness, this is awesome. Oh wow, that is so pretty. I hope you guys can see that glitter. That is really nice. I like that a lot. And that's the color, so it's Urban Graphite. Very nice, and I hadn't tried these before, so I just wanted to get one so I could see how it worked, but I might have to be getting more of those because that's really pretty. And looks like I got a couple of these glitter dusters. I don't know why. Maybe it was a pack of 4. It had to have been, because I'm going, why did I get 4 of these? It had to have been 4. Pack of 4. And, ooh. I guess you put glitter in here, and then what happens? I don't know if any of you guys have these. I'll have to. Oh, it looks like you can spread your glitter like lightly on something. If any of you guys have these, let me know how this works. I'm gonna have to look it up and see what I can put in here. It's kind of interesting that it came with 4 of these, so I don't know if I should keep all of these or if I should share with my friends. I'll have to see what kind of glitter I can put in and then decide. And then I got some really cool things in here, I think. So I love stickles and I needed some more colors. So I got this beautiful lavender color and this rose gold and sprinkled sugar. This one doesn't look so glittery as it does. I bet it just looks like sugar when you put it on a page. That's kind of cool. This one is called Unicorn. It's beautiful. Ooh, I love this one too. This is called Hibiscus. And then finally of these, this one is called Gunsmoke. And it's kind of like that, excuse me, that pen. So those are cool. Yay. I love stickles. And then I also got some more embossing powder. This is in tinsel or snowflake tinsel. How pretty is that? Oh my gosh, it really is a beautiful color. I'm gonna, oh, there, you might be able to see it better from up there. Isn't that pretty? So it's got silver and white sparkly. I'm gonna go ahead and open it. Sometimes if I open things and have it ready, I'll use it more than if I don't have it opened. I'll think, oh gosh, I haven't opened that yet. Maybe I shouldn't use it yet. I don't know why I do that. So I'm just gonna open it and make sure that I know that it's okay to use. I don't know if you can hear my puppies in there. They're carrying on. They're silly crazies, but they sure are fun. Okay, so there's that. I'll have to make something here soon. And these I thought would be really neat. These are sprinkles and they're called Red Apple. And I hadn't ever seen them, so I wanted to get one first before I did anything with them. But it's like little, you can put them in shaker cards or you can use them, like if I had a tree stamp, I could put some little apples in it. Aren't those cute? Oh my gosh. If I had a tree stamp. You know I have a tree stamp. Okay, and this I am super excited about trying. This had really good reviews. And this is called a glue sponge. So what you do is you open this and there is like a sponge in here, I'm assuming. And when you have little pieces of something to glue, yeah, you push it down on here so that the glue gets onto whatever side you need to glue, and you don't have to worry about getting the glue in the little fine points. You can just push it into this little sponge. You can see how spongy it is. I'm not going to touch it because I know it'll be gluey. I mean, I can see the glue here. And it's just called a glue sponge. Just press, no mess. A cleaner way to glue. Made with a synthetic sponge to resist bacteria. Excellent for die cuts, thin or delicate material. Easy cleanup with just water. Dries clear with no wrinkling or over gluing. This looks like really cool to me. I'm kind of excited to try that. So there's that. And then here are all those duster things that I'm going to need to try. And then it looks like they sent me a scrapbook and cards today. I'm sure I didn't order this. So this would be cute to look through and see what might be new, because there are a ton of things out that I don't know about for sure. And it's kind of neat to see what's going on and to get ideas. There are so many ideas in these books. Oh, I love that. And when I used to scrapbook, there were a lot of great scrapbook magazines to get ideas from. So this is kind of exciting. Yay! Okay, so that is my purchase from Simon Says Stamps. I had fun shopping online, and I'm kind of excited to see how this works because I can feel the air coming out, and I mean, how cool. Seems pretty easy. Oh, that's cool, and it won't let you push it down when it's down. That makes sense. I mean, look at how this opens. That is so cool. I'm excited to see how this works. A glitter duster. And then I will be sure to show you guys too. So thanks for watching and have a great day, and maybe check out Simon Says Stamps because you can get all different brands clearly from one site. It's kind of nice. And I really like the purple onion designs. Stacy Ucula, I don't know if I'm saying her name right, but she usually does the designs that I seem to like best. Yep, all of these are hers, all three of these. And then this one is a different brand, Impression Obsession, and these are Purple Onion. So very cool. And Purple Onion is rubber stamps, and they aren't matted, they aren't put on anything, so I just use them. I put double-sided tape on the back, and I use them with a block or a Misty. Whatever, it all works. So they're not cling stamps, but you can make it work. And then this is exciting too because I wanted the coaster. That's cool. All right, so thanks for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.